This is 102, number 9 Meadow Ridge in Herman. Meadow Ridge complex is pretty close to the Bangor town line, out Route 2. This is one of the smallest units. There are 3 sizes at Meadow Ridge, and building 102 is one of the smaller units, but it's still a pretty good size. 2 bedroom, 2 full bath, with a full basement, which is pretty nice. Wood laminate floors, which is easy clean. The only place is carpet is on the stairs. This is the living room. There's a breakfast bar between the living room and the kitchen. There's room for a sofa. Some people can get a sectional in here, but there's room for a sofa, possibly a chair. A lot of people put the TV on this side, also could do it on the other side. So you do have some options here. Some people do put bar stools here at the counter. There's also a couple of heating zones. There's one here for the downstairs. There's also one in the master bedroom for the upstairs. Plenty of counter and cupboard space here. Does come with a dishwasher, built-in microwave, 5-burner glass top stove. Does have a brand new refrigerator with the bottom freezer. Faucet with the built-in sprayer. Back here is the dining area. There's room for a kitchen table here. It's not huge, but you could get a high top table, a small round table. Could also put a hutch or something like that there as well. These units do have full basements, but they actually have put the washer dryer hookup right here. It's a little more convenient for some people not to have to go down into the basement to do their laundry. So that's pretty good size. Almost any washer dryer will fit in there side by side next to each other. It's kind of standard size. And then next to the washer dryer closet, you have a pantry. Some people might use it as a broom closet. Most people would put shelves in it. Or something like that to use it as a pantry. Also could use it as a coat closet. It does have a shelf up here where you can hang things from. So it's whatever you might need. And then off the back of the kitchen, you have a really nice deck. Has a privacy partition between the next door unit. This side is facing south and this side is west. It gets a lot of sun, so you could grow plants or veggies or whatever out here. Plenty of room for a gas grill, table and chairs. It's pretty quiet. There's a lot of birds and so forth out here. And this sits up a little bit. The walkout basement door comes out underneath the deck, so it sits out over the ground a little bit. It's pretty nice and quiet, pretty relaxing. That's one of the nice features of the units out here is having the deck and the walkout basement. It's very convenient because you can get things into the basement without bringing them down over the stairs. And the basements are also a very, very nice feature because it's like having a storage unit without paying for it. Very convenient. There's plenty of room here for some shelves if you have things like bikes or kayaks or sports equipment, you can store them here and again get them right in from the outside to the walkout door. And again, this goes right out under the deck. So you have your hot water heater down here, electric panel right over here. This is a utility room for the building, so if something like the heat should go off, maintenance would need to get in there, but they would notify the tenant prior to let them know that they needed to come in, but that isn't something that they would need to enter the unit for. Again, they would come through the basement. They would have access with a code. But basements here are pretty clean and dry. We do recommend dehumidifiers in the hot, humid summer months. But other than that, they stay pretty clean and dry. And then upstairs, there's 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths, which is very unusual to have the full baths. The stairs are carpeted, basically, mostly for sound control. It's the only place that there is carpet in these units. Here at the top of the stairs, there's a linen closet. This is the second bedroom. This will do a queen size bed, no problem. Has a little spot over here next to the closet. You could get a small desk in there, computer desk. Would fit in there nicely. And then the closet. Kind of a standard size, maybe a little bit larger. And both of the bedrooms do have the coaxial cable hookup so that you can have cable in them. And then this is 1 full bath. And that one's in the hallway. The other full bath is in the master. So the master is quite large. And this is the other bathroom. Basically the same as the one in the other bath. Both bathrooms do have ceramic tile floors. And then this is large enough to fit a king-size bed, plus a couple of bureaus. So it's very spacious. The curtains do belong to the tenant. The units do have blinds. They come with blinds. Curtains are supplied by the tenant if they choose to have them. This is the temperature control thermostat for the upstairs. So there's 2 zones in each unit, and then this is the closet in the master. It's a little bit larger. So again, pretty large master bedroom. People do like to have plenty of room in the bedroom. Ceilings are a lot higher than a lot of units too. I think they're like 10 feet, so it gives you a sense of a lot of space. So 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. This is 102 Meadow Ridge Drive, unit number 9. It's in Herman at the end of North Street, which is our Route 2. If you're interested, give us a call at 207-974-6606 or visit our website at rentbangor.com.